Welcome everyone to today's Sanskrit lesson, and today we are talking about sandhis among the consonants. So they are called Vishnu Janas, the consonants, and Vishnu Jana Sandhi. There is a concept we need to understand of hard and soft uh, syllables here. Now the ones in the box, kakha, cha-cha, tatha, tatha, paffa, sha, sha, sa, are considered hard. Now all other vowels and consonants apart from these are considered soft. So it becomes hard or soft. So the first example here is of a hard letter becoming soft. So what is hard and soft? It's already defined here. If you understand these letters from the box, all the other vowels and the consonants following this, for example, the table kakha, chacha, tatha, they all have a table. So kakha gaggana, chacha dadhana, tatha dadhana. So in this way, each one has a table. So the rest, all the other letters, they are soft. So similarly, the vowels are also soft. Now, the rules, we have to remember which ones are hard. So we see here in the box, Jagat Isha. So Jagat plus Isha. So Jagat Ta is a hard letter, Jagat, and it becomes soft, Jagadisha. The is a soft letter, Jagad Isha. Similarly, Jagat Viparivartate, Jagad Viparivartate. The Ta and V, Ta and V, when they mix, it becomes Jagad V Parivartate. The Ta, the hard, becomes the soft. Srimat Urjitam, from the Bhagavad Gita 10.4, Srimad Urjitam. The Ta becomes a the. So the Ta is a hard one. So similarly, vice versa, if the joining letter is a hard one, for example, Suhrad, the is a soft. Satam, now sa, the second of the second half, the first is hard, sa. So Suhrad, the becomes ta, hard, Suhrat Satam. So if the first half is soft and the second half, Satam, sa, is hard, then the combination becomes a hard letter, Suhrat Satam. There's no alternative to this except to write and study, and whenever you come across an example, you just keep remembering. Sanskrit is all about remembrance of these formulas. The next one, you see, aham bhajami. So when they combine, the next rule, aham bhajami. When they combine, there is a long aham bhajami, that there is an extension. Aham plus bhajami, aham bhajami, aham plus bhajami, aham bhajami. So when the ma gets added, then it becomes a ma, always becomes a the Vishnu Chakra. Anuswar. Govindam, Adi Purusham, that Govindam, when you add it, Govindam, Adi Purusham, but you pronounce Govindam separately, Govindam. So, Adi Purusham, so that ma after the Purusham, then it adds Purusham, that so that ma becomes Purusham tam, so that ma becomes a So that ma wherever is there, when it gets added to the next letter, whenever it gets added, whenever you pronounce it together, it becomes a mm. So you can see here, Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. But however they added Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami, but when they are pronounced together, Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham, that ma. So whenever they are added, the ma becomes a m. The next one is the na, tan, na. So na becomes tams. Na becomes ums. Na becomes it's rhyming. Na becomes ums before ta or tha. Tanti, ta, tantitikshasva, tanta or tha. Na becomes So tams tan titikshasva, tan titikshasva becomes tams titikshasva. Tan titikshasva becomes tams titikshasva. Similarly, there's another example here. Watch out for na. So putran, pautran, sakins, tatha. So where it is the last one? Ta, tatha, right? Ta is there. So what does it become? Putran, pautran, they are all, that na is fine. Sakhims. Instead of sakhin, it becomes sakhims tatha. Sri Gurun Vaishnavanscha. So the na here, Vaishnavan cha, the na becomes Vaishnavams, vams, cha. So wherever there is ta or tha, na becomes tams. And whenever there is cha or cha, it becomes vams, vams, So Vaishnavams cha. So there are two different rules here. You can see here that na becomes, the example is tams, and here it's a slight difference in pronunciation, Vaishnavams. So the only thing is the sa, the s. So here it's M with a dot, but S, a plain S, but here it's, so the S, the long S, the short S, the long S, Vaishnavams cha, tams, the sa doesn't extend so much, but vams, Vaishnavams, so the S with the line there. So that's the difference. Shri, you see the Shri S at the line at the top. So the next is Machittaha. So Machittaha, those who think of me. So Mat, ta. So word ending with ta or da, adopt the following letter. So for example, mat chittaha becomes mat chittaha, mat chittaha. So if they are ta and da, they can become cha. So a brahma bhuvana loka. So Abrahma Bhuvanat Loka, the ta becomes la. So the ta and the, they can adopt the next letters also. Syat Janardana. So these are different variations of the same rule. So we can see there is a variety of rules. You should just know which one to apply to get the right meaning. That's the point. You need to know the context. But this will come only with practice. So we find here mat chittaha, mat chittaha. So the ta became the chi, like the cha, chi. It took on that character. So similarly here, a brahma bhuvanat, the ta became a la, bhuvanal loka. Similarly, Syat Janardana, Ka Priti Syat Janardana, the Ta, the Syat, wherever the Ta is there, then it became. So there are two options, Syad Janardana, like the previous ones, but then you have to see if the letters with which it is mixing, is it Chi, La, Ja, so then they mix accordingly. Jagat Natha, Jagannatha. So the ta became a na in this case, Jagannatha. The ta took the form of the next letter. So similarly, we find there, if the following letter is hard or soft, so that's a general rule, it follows that. So similarly here we see the ta is following the next letter. The ta became a cha, the ta became a la, the ta became a ja, the ta became a ga. So that depends on whatever is the next letter. So when we combine the next letter, it assumes that form, but according to the different rules and applications, we can see the rule changing here. So here it gives you a few more examples. Prahasanna Iva. So the na extends, Prahasanniva. So that is a replication. Avichin api, avichin api. Similarly, after ra, consonants are optionally reduplicated. There are a few examples given there, you can go through it. The next one, Jagadhitaya. So we see Jagat Hitaya, Jagadhitaya. So they became the, but there was another the. So there was a duplication. So similarly here, Sakshad Haritvena, the ta became the duplicate. Sakshad Haritvena. So basically when they change the form, they take the next letter, the hard or soft, but here in this case, there is an example of duplication. Again, as we apply these rules,